Hi, it's Jose Diaz, your favorite realtor with his latest listing here in Fairway Park, located at 31275 Hershey Way. And boy, do I have a unique property for you today. First of all, it's located on a corner lot, over 7,000 square feet, and situated in a highly sought after New Haven School District, Hayward Price New Haven Schools. And it has a lot of unique features I'd like to show you. Let's go inside and take a look, will you? Well, hello and welcome to your next home, which features 3 bedrooms, 2 baths, 1,762 square feet of living space, and boy, do I have a great bonus room to show you next. And here's your bonus. Check out this huge entertainment room. Can you see yourself spending quality times with friends and family here? Welcome home. Your search is finally over. Can you see yourself entertaining friends and perhaps a barbecue in this huge backyard? For more information about this home, feel free to contact me, Jose Diaz, your favorite realtor, at 510-912-4519.